And today, one Guantanamo detainee pleaded through his lawyer for release from the U.S. naval base in Cuba, where he has been held without charges for 12 years. In the plea, Abdul Malik al-Rahabi said that upon his release, he would rejoin his Yemeni family, attend college, teach, and start an agricultural business. The government, however, said al-Rahabi was a bodyguard for Osama bin Laden and argued that the detainee could fall back into a life of extremism if he wanted to. Both sides presented their arguments to the Periodic Review Board, a panel composed of representatives from 6 U.S. government agencies. The panel now must reach a consensus on whether al-Rahabi poses any lingering threat to the U.S. It's a process that could take weeks. The public portion of the hearing lasted just 19 minutes, with al-Rahabi, his lawyer, and his 2 personal military representatives linked by video from Cuba to the board in Arlington. 8 journalists and 4 human rights advocates watched the video feed from a conference room in the same suburban Washington office building that houses the board's offices. Al-Rahabi was the first Guantanamo detainee to have this review panel hearing made partially public. The review board is, of course, a component of President Barack Obama's effort to close Guantanamo, but it remains to be seen whether Obama will move that initiative along by putting it on the agenda of his 2014 State of the Union address.